Welcome to At Home with Carla. This is where I share my family, friends, pets, some DIY projects, and even some cooking. Well, and life events too. So thanks for watching, and let's get started. Last night we rescued this tabby cat. He was outside under the porch, and I said, I can't come under and get you, so if you want to get rescued, you'll have to come to me. And he did. He walked up to my arms and I brought him in the house. He does have one part of his ear gone from, I think last year. It might have got frostbitten. We've always put straw and food and, treats out there for them. But we did finally get him. But unfortunately, we can't keep him. We have our limit on pets here. And so I'm trying to find him a good home, but he's loving, really nice cat. He will make a great cat for somebody. But here you can see his one ear is gone. I don't know if he got in a fight or if it was frostbitten, but he's really a little sweetheart. And he loves people. And I'm not too sure about other animals, but he loves kids. Good morning. We're going to have some scrambled eggs and bacon again. I made a lot of eggs because I want to give some to the cats. We have one cat that he acts like he needs to have some kind of raw foods every day. I think he has, I don't know if it's the old age or what, but he seems to beg for eggs and cheese and dairy products. I don't know why, but he does. So I'm going to do that, and I hope you're having a good day. I was thinking about getting one of these little mixers, and I was talking to my brother, and he offered to give me his, but I was thinking about it. I have a bigger mixer blender, but I was at Walmart, so I just picked this up, and I'm really happy with it. It was the cheapest one they have, but it works really good. Just a couple pushes of the button, and all these eggs were perfectly blended. I couldn't believe it.
I like it smoked and I like it fried. I like it with eggs on the side. My love for bacon will never die. I want bacon, bacon, bacon. It's great for breakfast, it's great for lunch. Anytime you need to munch, eat it chewy or with a crunch. It's bacon, bacon, bacon.
Right. I had the eggs, bacon with cheese mixed in, and then I ended up having some yogurt, vanilla yogurt with some grapes here, and it was really good. I enjoyed it a lot. Ended up making the husband an omelet with bacon. So I'm really far behind on my house cleaning. My kitchen's kind of a disaster area, but I'll get it cleaned up one of these minutes. Cheese.
Cheese! You missed me. Don't go! Take a picture!
Yep. My husband put together a carport, and our son helped put it over our pontoon because, I don't know, the other cover kept the falling in with the heavy snow and stuff. So hopefully this carport will help. And so far it is. So we're just trying to keep the snow off. What we did get, like 5-6 inches, I'm not sure, but it was a lot of heavy snow. Hello. I made a little thing to bring in the car with me when I go to the car wash, and it's just some Windex, some spray for the seats, Meyer cleaner, some gloves that are kind of plasticky, grippy, you know, when in this weather. I marked mine with the X because my husband has the same pair, but his are large, and I just don't want us to get mixed up. But they're really nice gloves and warm and hardy. Got a box of Kleenex and some leather and vinyl cleaner, a whole bunch of rags for cleaning and drying after the car wash, and the windows, because here in Wisconsin, if you don't wipe your windows dry, they'll freeze shut on you. And then I got some paper towels, and it's all in a little caddy that I can just grab and go.